welcoming. Matt, are you ready? I'm ready, bud. I think we're about to count down. I think we're about to count 45. I think you're going to awesome countdown to the awesome introduction. These people down here deserve the best introduction ever. I'm ready to count down, but you are.
You know, we already bungled it up, so yeah, all right, you count it down. Now that we know you're officially starting. I'm pointing at you and wagging my finger up there. I see you up there. All right, you ready?
See you two. We're going to count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rock and roll.
All right, now we're rolling. He loves to do that. He'll get it every time. He just, yeah, comes down here. Loves to play this. Okay, now he's playing. We've got red, white, blue, and red on. How about that, Ricky? Been over here for a year now or so. Just about to play for the season. Yeah, there we go. Watch it. Dive right here. Big deal. Hold it there, folks. So Arron deliu, the 2025 Air Dance Battle Champion, the 2024 Air Masters Cup Champion, Reigning Sky Grand Prix Champion, the former Australian Unlimited Aerobatic Champion, the record holder for the highest scoring position of any Australian pilot, the Unlimited World Competition, this incredible international air show pilot, the champion both off the ground and in the air. You can find him playing at 330 FC. All over his socials, it's at Arron deliu, AARRONDELIU. Watch one. Yeah. This is like a fun guy to watch. He's gonna park it there, like the helicopter. Now he's backing up in his own smoke, Rick. Come on, Ohio, I'm telling you what, your first time